Let me ask you something, and I genuinely want you to answer honestly in the comment section. When was the last time you purchased toner for your office? What makes it feels like a good decision? Was it the lowest quotation on the table, or the big price difference between two vendors? Or was it simply the internal satisfaction that you negotiate well? Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you something that might completely change how you evaluate the choice. Hi, my name is Jatin, and today I'm going to break down the true cost of a toner cartridge. Not just the invoice value that you see, but the invisible cost that most of the businesses never calculate. Let's start with something very simple. Every organization track purchase value, but very few track interruption cost. And that's where the real difference begins. Because the moment you approve the lower quotation, you feel like a win. You are saving money, you are doing your job, right? But now, let's follow that decision forward. The toner cartridge arrives late, someone has to follow up. The cartridge runs out earlier than expected, someone have to reorder. And the replacement took 2 to 3 days, someone have to explain internally why printing slowed down. Even the print quality dropped. Someone have to spend time troubleshooting. And here's the worst part. None of this appears in your invoice because there is no line item called hours spent following up. There is no column that says workflow interruption. But these hours are real, and inside every organization, the time is far more expensive than toner. Now let's look at why this keep happening. You got two quotations side by side on your screen. One said $95, the other one says $75. Your brain moves instantly. $75 feel efficient, feels responsible, feels right to call. Because here's the question most of the buyers do not pause to ask. Was the page yield identical? Was the supply chain authorized? Will that vendor stay reliable during the peak demand? Visible numbers are easy to compare. You can see them instantly. You can react on them instantly. On the other hand, stability does not work like that way. It does not appear on the quotation. It does not shows up on the discount. It shows up later, in delays, in failure, in those conversations that you don't want to have. And that $20 was visible from the day one, but the stability gap waited until the worst possible moment. Now let's shift the perspective for a moment. Toner is categorized for small consumables, daily purchasable, something minor, but look what it actually supports. Invoices that trigger revenue, contracts that formalize commitments, compliance documents that protect the organization. And these documents are not optional prints. These are business critical documents. And when a printer fails, work does not get stopped immediately. It slows down. Approval got delayed. Deadlines get tight. People get frustrated. And it's far more dangerous because it is not one big mistake. It's a small constant fractions. And smart organizations understand this. They do not buy toner to save money. They buy toner to run operations smoothly. And that's come from consistency, not just from the cheapest option. And this is exactly why we built Toner Inco. To remove the guesswork, to remove uncertainty, to remove unnecessary disruption from your operation. So if you want genuine authorized toner without uncertainty, without last minute pressure, and without second guessing your decision, remember the name Toner Inco.